Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mclaren Solus GT, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their exotic series. So this is specifically from the Q case. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. Just trying not to damage the card here. Okay, lucky me, my hand got escaped. Okay, here it is. So the initial impressions of this car are this looks a little bit heavy, and looks really nice. Paint job is okay, even though there are some paint bubbles here, as you can see. Still, this looks great. I wish they at least put some kind of paint job for the headlights and tails. I didn't see this actual car in either in pictures or in videos or anything, but I'm hoping that literally every car will be having some kind of headlights here, at least in some part here. I think it will come here if I'm not wrong. So they didn't even bother to do a paint job. It's okay. So the entire body is made of metal and the chassis is made of plastic. The wheels are made of plastic. So I bought this for 149 rupees, that is the MRP. I didn't pay much. So I'm lucky enough to grab at least like around 10 cars if I'm not wrong from the Q case, because the entire box was bought by some other guy. So I'm looking at some this OLX postings. These guys are selling for 500 or 600 rupees. Okay, let's do a roll test. Dude, look at it, look the wheel wobble there. It is literally too much. You can't even play this on a track. So these cars are supposed to be played on track or somewhere else, but it doesn't even give you enough speed, even if you push. Look at the front wheel, it wobbles a lot. So looks like Hot Wheels are not supposed to be played with nowadays, it seems. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.